Understanding Winch Maintenance, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, winch maintenance. Whether you're a language enthusiast or a professional in a field where this term is used, understanding its meaning and context is essential. So, let's dive in and make learning English both enjoyable and informative. Winch maintenance is a technical phrase consisting of two words, winch and maintenance. Let's look at them separately. Winch. This is a mechanical device used for pulling or lifting heavy objects. It's commonly found in settings like construction sites, boats, or off-road vehicles. Maintenance. This refers to the act of keeping something in good condition through regular checkups and repairs. When we combine these words, winch maintenance refers to the regular checks and repairs of a winch to ensure it's functioning correctly and safely. This is an important practice in industries where winches play a crucial role. Regular maintenance helps prevent accidents and extends the lifespan of the equipment. To understand how to use winch maintenance in a sentence, let's see an example. The boat crew scheduled a winch maintenance session to ensure all equipment was safe for use. Understanding winch maintenance isn't just about language. It's also about recognizing its importance in safety and operational efficiency. Regular maintenance is crucial in preventing equipment failure, which can lead to accidents, especially in heavy lifting operations. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and significance of winch maintenance. Remember, understanding such terms is not only about expanding your vocabulary but also about comprehending their practical implications in real-world scenarios. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.